Here comes Leo. He's going to swim 500 yards. It's 20 laps. Or say 20 lengths. 10 laps. And that's his third length. Number 3. He's going on to number 4. And he's swimming away. Good side-to-side breathing. He's having equipment trouble. He's having some equipment trouble. Fixing his goggles. And he's back at it. Leo is the youngest member of the team. He's at 6 years old. 6 years, 7 months. Oh. And he's doing good work.